How to disable all WhatsApp calls. So first of all, open up your WhatsApp application. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three dots. Now go to settings. Now tap on notifications. Now scroll down a bit. Now tap on vibrate and tap on off. Now go back to your home screen. Keep holding your WhatsApp icon until this menu pops up and tap on app info. Now tap on manage notifications. Now scroll down a bit. Now tap on notifications. Now disable the toggle of ringtone and vibrate. Now tap on group notifications and disable the toggle. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.